acoustic Gothics.
Gothics?
12s.
Okay, so you said these are Walmart speakers, I guess?
$80 at Walmart.
Hyphonics Brutus?
Yeah.
Is this the 3K?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Nice. And this is
AGM.
AGM, okay. What size? Do you know the amp hour?
88 amp hour.
Okay.
And there's another one just like this under the hood as well.
That helps. All right. Stock.
Everything's stock. She ain't even got the big 3 done yet.
Okay. Something to work on?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that going? And this is what kind of subwoofers?
Power acoustic Gothics.
Gothics?
12s.
Okay, so you said these are Walmart speakers, I guess?
$80 at Walmart.
For both of them or a pair?
Each.
Each? That's not bad, man. Did you get it on the meter just to see for fun?
Yeah, it does a 140.8 today on the meter.
Really? 40s. That's pretty good. You happy with it? Or are you trying to get a little louder?
Yeah, she wants to go a lot louder.
A lot louder, so like 50s probably. Maybe not that loud. Oh, so this is her build or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just the one who does everything for us.
Okay. Does she get a demo or?
I'm gonna do it for her.
Okay.
I can get my damn internet to work, you know.
Okay.
My build will be done in the next month or 2.
Okay.
I'm working on a O2 Blazer 612s and a no wall.
6, wow. Oh, okay. Appreciate the demo, man.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good for some Walmart subs.
I know, right?
Seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cell, or am I dreaming? Say I ain't dealing with your dog, I'm going a different way. I broke up with my red bone and went to Milky Way. I'm riding in a red, feeling like I'm out of space. Stars on my sunroof, plenty of the apes. I couldn't wait till they released me right back on the turf. I took off on the blessed off on the first. I know my son won't like this song, so I ain't finna curse. No, he
my build will be done in the next month or two.
Okay.
I'm working on a O2 Blazer 612s in a no wall.
6, wow. Oh, okay. Appreciate the demo, man.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good for some Walmart subs.
I know, right? Seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cell, or am I dreaming? Say I ain't dealing with your dog, I'm going a different way. I broke up with my red bone and went to Milky Way. I know my son won't like this song, so I ain't finna curse. No, he
discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.